Hi, I'm Connie, and I'm working with Bill Cook at the Duncan Extension office here in Greenlee County. And I decided to try an experiment to make this mini greenhouse for starting plant cuttings from my yard, because I like to do native plants, and so they would tend to propagate best in the summer, I think. So this is what we're trying. And I'd seen this idea on the internet on some plant propagation sites about using a plastic tub and to make a mini greenhouse to maintain the humidity for when you're making cuttings, which particularly here in Arizona in the summertime, it's only like 10% humidity. So yeah, you need something to maintain your humidity. So the cuttings that we made is when my husband and I were experimenting, so we're doing all kinds of different things, like we've got silver sagebrush and woolly butterfly bush and some hummingbird mint and some salvia. He wanted to try some mesquite and some cat claw. So we put these, they're in little 6-packs in a tray here to hold water. And then in the morning I just come in with a water bottle and I spray everything real good, and I give it a dose on the inside here. And then I clip the top down. And these have been in here for like 8 days, 9 days. And they're still looking fine. These are the only ones that are looking a little problematic. So far it seems to be a successful thing. And then you just clip it down. The one on the internet that I was watching, he was in like Canada, BC, I think, and they had drilled holes in the top for having air ventilation. And I didn't do that because I figured 10% humidity in Arizona, maybe I won't do that. So this winter, if we decide to do it this winter when the humidity is higher, I'll probably drill the holes in the top. But right now, I barely have condensation in here in the morning, so I think this is probably about right. So that's what we've been doing, and seems to be working pretty well.